at the springs here at the Carlton building. And look in here. We had something cool. That's right. Armor. Old elevator. It's a Dover. Basement's locked. We'll go up to 5. Bumpy. Whoa. Oh, pre-door's a little. Look at that braille. That's not even a braille. There's no braille on it. 1, you can hear the relays. It's really smooth on the starting up, but stopping not so much. Here's your phone cabinet, Otis phone. Wow, yeah, harsh stops. Neat. All right, let's go up and down one more time. We'll get that pre-door. This is a neat elevator. It's old. There's a lot of old Dover hydros around Colorado. But the old Dover tractions, like from before the 70s, are hard to come by. Didn't really do it as much that time. All right, down to 1. Well, you know what? Yeah, well, I did it 1. Let's test the emergency light. It works. I love the corner post look of it. You can tell this is one of those old ones that still uses the old vertical selector. Wow. And catch that free door.